The variety we're in here is called Blizzard. It's a white root, very high dry matter percentage, really good yields, but I'm not sure how well you can see, but the root itself is quite deep in the ground. It's a struggle to pull it up, so you can see the soil level here, which really means it's better suited for lifting with sugar beet harvesting kit as opposed to grazing. But it does mean, you know, when it's in the ground to that level, protected from frost, really good winter hardiness, and again when lifted and put in the clamp, high dry matter means much better winter hardiness.